or affirm, you're giving me an IOU. You understand? What I'm asking is, do you understand if you screw up on bonds, you're going to jail and you're gonna have to post money to get out? You understand that? Massicati? Did I say that right, ma'am?
No, Massicati.
Massicati. Gotcha.
Good morning, Your Honor. If you would be 4917 period, if you happen to.
Adjourn. No, look.
Yeah, it's David, make one.
Defendant.
Thank you. Thank you.
Guilty. We're asking for an additional pretrial so we can get our hands on some discovery run.
Okay, 9-1 at 9:20. That's going to be Zoom with Judge Martin.
Judge.
And let's see what we got here. All right. All right, they didn't give me enough information, so I don't know who the harassment was supposedly against. So I'm not going to do a no contact. I'm just going to put it on a block.
But I can address some of that.
Yeah, go ahead.
As it relates to discussing that, I think with the defendant, there are some people at that she's not going to have contact with voluntarily.
Okay. Do you have any names?
Sarita Jordan.
All right. And you have no reason to have any contact with her? Okay. So no problem avoiding her until September, right? Okay. All right. So when I say no contact, I mean of any kind. So no social media posts to her or about her, no phone calls, no letters, no Hallmark cards. Don't have your friends go talk to her on your behalf. Hold on. Let me get through it. You see her at Taco Bell, you're eating at Burger King. If they come to you, you just say, I can't have contact with you. Please leave. Okay. Clear now? All right, I'm going to put you on a personal bond. First condition is the obvious one, stay out of trouble. Second one is pretty obvious, show up for your court date on Zoom on 9/1. Third one is the no contact. Can you live with those orders? Raise your right hand.
Muddy the waters just briefly.
Sure.
I believe there is going to be an eviction action right now. That alleged victim might be in court to testify against the defendant or vice versa. As it relates.
If you're in court, you're not in trouble.
Thank you.
Yeah, well, I guess you could be if you're really a butthead in court, but you know what I mean. If you're here because you got to be here and she happens to be here, that's not a violation of this.
Just wants clarification.
Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of $1,000 if you violate bond? Do you swear or affirm? You're giving me an IOU. You understand? What I'm asking is, do you understand if you screw up on bonds, you're going to jail and you're gonna have to post money to get out? You understand that? Then you're all right. Have a seat. We'll get you a court notice on paper.
Thank you.
Adams is yours too, counsel. Casey? This one's till 9/3.
UNP 64917 period things happen. I love man.
Thank you, Miss Adams. We're not going to arraign. We're just going to adjourn the arraignment pretrial till September 3 at.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Ma'am, if you just have a seat, we'll get you a paper notice. Cody Walter.
Ready, Your Honor. Good morning. If you and the people 64917 period the out. Mr. Walter, he's opposing. Very well, thank you.
Thank you.
Please accommodate schedule for arraignment and pretrial. Meeting standing to the chart. Last week's rights and it has actually been.
All right.
As it relates to the pretrial, Your Honor, I have been able to pretrial matter with the city attorney or the township attorney. I've been able to speak at length with both the defendant and the stand. The new lieutenant today, to add a count of operative or visibly impaired to the stand. Operating the blood alcohol level of over 3.7 will be deceased.
Good. All right, Mr. Walter, you understand the rights you have today?
Yeah.
You understand the options those rights give you?
Yeah.
You understand the possible penalty for the added charge of impaired driving? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to that charge freely and voluntarily? Did you drive a vehicle in Romulus on the date in question, which is March 6th? Prior to driving, did you consume alcohol?
Yeah.
Did you take a breath test or a blood test?
Perfect.
Were the results 0.17 or more? Satisfied, counsel? I'll accept your plea to the added charge. I'm going to dismiss the original charge. I'm going to send you downstairs to the probation department. You'll schedule with them 2 dates. 1 to come back for an interview with the probation officer, 2 to come back for sentencing. The probation officer will put together a report and recommendation for sentencing. You'll get to go over that report with counsel on your sentencing date. You understand how that works? I will look at that report, and then on the day of sentencing, we'll all have a conversation about what's in the report and anything else you guys bring up, and then I'll decide what your sentence should be. Do you understand that? Do you have any questions about that so far? I'm going to put you on a personal bond. First condition, stay out of trouble. Second condition, show up in court when you're supposed to be here. Third condition, do not purchase, possess, or consume any mood-altering substance unless you got a doctor's prescription. That means no alcohol, no marijuana. Do you understand that? Can you live with that bond? Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of $1,000 if you screw up on bond? Any questions? How old are you? Put your hand down. Are you working? What do you do? Lawn care? Dick, got any priors?
No priors, Judge, is here today with family, blood alcohol, I believe it's a 174. No consumption of alcohol since the date of.
Okay. All right. See you on sentencing. Good luck. Marion Flores. Good morning, sir. Mr. Florence, are you going forward today without court-appointed attorney? You made a deal with the prosecutor, correct? All right, it says here you're going to plead responsible to the added charge of double parking. You've agreed to pay fines at cost of $150. Is that correct? Can you pay that today? Look at the calendar, pick a date. Next Thursday? All right, when that gets paid, we'll dismiss the misdemeanor. Understood? Any questions? Good luck. Is it Terry? Come on up, Mr. Terry. You're going forward without an attorney, is that correct? Prosecutor wants me to dismiss the charge that was issued to you on January 19, 2022. Is that okay with you? That's the good news. I'll dismiss the case. The bad news is you owe us lots of money. Are you on a payment plan? Are you working? Where do you work?
Saturday, time. Also, paragraphs.
Okay. How long you been at Saturn?
4 months.
Okay. All right. Are you in a position to get some kind of payment plan set up with us? Go downstairs and talk about all your payment options.
Got it. I finished school. I finished my MA and my assistance to be a nurse, be a LPN, but my background is hindering me from getting into the medical field.
You got to be more specific. What about your background?
Everything.
You mean your criminal history? Okay. What's your question?
There can be like you could give me saying like
No, I can't give you anything unless you file paperwork and I sign an order. So there's a whole bunch of stuff about how you can get some of your charges expunged and cleared off your record. Do a little internet research. All right. It's out there. It's out there. Carol, what's that? The Michigan clean slate, Michigan legal. All right. So if you go down to the front counter, they can give you the information so you can contact Michigan Legal Help. All right. Good luck. Yeah, we want to get you into nursing. Jason Davis. Counsel just waiting for a date or what?
I'm sorry.
Is he just waiting for a date?
He's gonna be arraigned because it's a, don't pardon me,
What's the name on file?
this one.
Oh, can I have it?
Yeah, you just can't. The term.
Oh. Counsel, give me a minute. You are Mr. All right, I got you. You're going forward today without an attorney?
Yes.
All right. Prosecutor asked me to dismiss the charge for March 25, 26. I'm assuming that's okay with you? All right. Bad news for you too. You owe us money. You are on a payment plan? Okay. All right. Go downstairs and let them know what's going on so we don't throw late fees on you or something while we're waiting to hear from you. Good luck. Getty Buck. Man, that's fun to say. If you say it fast,
And then the next said, it's good joy. But
Say it again. You pronounce it. Yeah, okay, yeah. Yeah. Godoy. Godoy. To rhyme with joy. I got you. Okay. Counsel, good morning. How are you?
Good morning, Mark Carter, hearing on this. But you can wait for reading.
Thank you. September 3rd at 9:03 work, council? 9:30 in the morning. That's going to be with Judge Martin on Zoom. And Mr. Buck, are you working?
oh, well, right now I'm doing a high local part-time kind of thing, but I also do
Okay. Okay. All right. I'm going to put you on a personal bond. First condition is pretty obvious, stay out of trouble. Second condition is pretty obvious, show up for your court date, the first one on Zoom. Thirdly, do not purchase, possess, or consume any mood-altering substance unless you've got a doctor's prescription. That means no alcohol, no marijuana. Can you live with those rules? Raise your right hand for me. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of $1,000 if you screw up on bond? Any questions? You're all set. Have a seat. We'll get you a paper notice. Mr. Hart, if you need a notice, stick around. We'll get one for you too.
Oh, thanks. Yeah, have a good one.
You as well. Gillum. Good morning. Are you going forward today without benefit of an attorney?
Yes.
You made a deal with the prosecutor. It looks like you're going to plead guilty to a misdemeanor and a civil infraction will be dismissed. Is that your deal? Did you read your rights form? You understand those rights?
Yes.
You understand the options they give you?
Yes.
And you understand the possible penalty for the misdemeanor charge? Up to 90 days in jail, up to $500 fines plus court costs. You understand that? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty? Doing so freely and voluntarily? All right. Were you in a vehicle in Romulus on April 1, 2026? Driver or passenger? And did you, at that time, did you have some open intoxicants in that vehicle?
Yes.
I will accept your plea. You working?
Yes, sir.
Where do you work? How long have you been there? Okay. Where'd you work before that? All right. Anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you? All right. Fines and costs on the file, $300. Can you pay it today?
No.
Go downstairs and talk about your options. You're welcome.
What starts as a routine court session quickly turns into a series of important legal proceedings, as multiple defendants stand before the judge to resolve their cases. Throughout the hearing, the court carefully reviews plea agreements, bond conditions, and procedural matters, giving viewers a rare look at how the justice system handles cases behind the scenes. One of the key moments involves a defendant represented by legal counsel, where both sides agree to schedule an additional pre-trial hearing. The judge explains that more time is needed for the discovery process, allowing attorneys to review evidence before moving forward. The discussion highlights how even seemingly simple cases can require additional court appearances before reaching a final resolution. The court also addresses bond conditions, specifically clarifying a no-contact order and warning that violating those conditions could result in jail time and financial penalties. These exchanges demonstrate how judges ensure defendants fully understand the rules they must follow while their cases remain active. As the hearing continues, attention shifts to another defendant, Ms. Adams, who appears before the court regarding a plea agreement. After questioning her to ensure she understands her rights and the consequences of her decision, the judge accepts her guilty plea related to possessing open intoxicants in a vehicle. The court then imposes fines and costs totaling $300 and provides instructions for completing the payment process. The exchange serves as a reminder that even misdemeanor offenses can carry legal and financial consequences, while also showing the structured process courts follow before accepting a plea. Open intoxicant violations in Michigan can result in misdemeanor penalties and additional court-ordered requirements.